everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I already have my face done, so I'm gonna focus on the eyes. So first, take your Glam palette if you have it, and yeah, it's really pretty. So first we're gonna take our blending brush, take the color Rustic and put it in the crease. So we're just gonna blend this color in the crease, put it like a bit above the crease also, really quick, just so we have a transition color. You can always put it all over the lid if you want. And then we're going to take the color Cypress Umber with the same blending brush, and I'm going to deepen it really like in the crease. Don't put it above or lower. You can always put it lower, it doesn't matter honestly, but don't put it above. Really in the crease. Pack it on the outer corner also, so we have a nice deepened crease. So next we're going to take an eyeshadow brush and the color Sultry, and we're just going to put it all over the lid. So we're going to concentrate most of it from the inner corner to the like 2/3 of the lid. And then we're gonna go back with the color Cypress Umber and our blending brush, just so everything's seamless, there's no harsh line, so everything is well blended together. Next, I'm gonna take another eyeshadow brush. I'm gonna take the color Rose Pink, and we're just gonna pack it on the inner corner. You don't have to put this color, it's honestly a bit similar, just it was more shimmery, that's why I put it there. And then we're going to take the color Mulberry and the another blending brush. I'm just going to put it in our crease. I just wanted it to be more like reddish in the crease, so that's why I added a little bit. And then I took my concealer and I'm just going to clean the outer corners of my shadow, just so it's really crisp. And for eyeliner, I'm using my Guess Eyeliner by Kat Von D. And I'm doing a pretty thick liner today for this look. It's really up to you, whatever you feel like doing. You can always do whatever you want. And yeah, of course I'm going to do both eyes, but I'm only showing you one. And then I'm going to put mascara. I use my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black mascara because it's my favorite. And we're going to put it on the upper lashes and the lower lashes also. For my lips, I'm using a brown lip liner. So we're just going to line our lips. And we're gonna fill it in also at the same time, just like that. Then I'm taking my MAC lipstick in Please Me. It's a really nice pink, but I'm just gonna dab it on, just so it's like soft pink like the eyes. Everything just smashed together. And I'm just gonna blend everything with my fingers, so my lip liner is not too harsh. And I'm going to pop on some lashes. The names will be down below. And then I'm just setting my face with the Urban Decay setting spray, the all-nighter. And then you guys know me, I have to add highlight. I already had highlight on, but I just had to add more. This is the Anastasia Winkle Guerrero palette. And yeah guys, that's it. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.